Connie Lawson Davis is not the kind of leader who chases headlines or short-lived applause. Her story is about building institutions, nurturing communities, and making sure the flame she carries today becomes a bonfire for the next generation. She is, at her core, a purpose-driven legacy builder, someone whose motivation isn't personal gain, but the long-term empowerment of others. Rooted in mission, not recognition. Connie's life is defined by her unwavering commitment to educational equity and the uplift of underserved communities. She moves through life with the mindset that her worth is measured not by public recognition, but by the depth and durability of her impact. It's legacy over limelight, always. Servant leadership, lived daily. Her identity is tightly woven with the principle of servant leadership. For Connie, leadership isn't about authority or status, it's about serving. Mentoring the next wave, ensuring institutional knowledge doesn't just survive but thrives, and always keeping the ladder down for those climbing behind her. She finds joy not in personal achievement, but in watching others rise and flourish. Faith as foundation, pragmatism as method. What truly sets Connie apart is her unique blend of faith-based optimism and sacrificial pragmatism. She's deeply anchored in the belief that God is good all the time, a conviction that gives her resilience when the work gets tough. But she balances this hope with clear-eyed realism. She knows everything in life is a trade-off, and she's willing to make personal sacrifices if it means advancing the greater good. Her courage doesn't come from blind confidence, but from deep conviction. She feeds her faith so her fears have nothing to eat. Emotional anchors, resilience, protection, and belonging. Connie's emotional landscape is built on resilience. She measures success by the lasting change she creates. Protective empowerment. She feels a calling to shield and equip vulnerable students. And belonging. Her loyalty to Ohio University's Black alumni community is both a home base and a launching pad. These emotional drivers keep her grounded and give her work both warmth and weight. The steward leader, visionary mentor, systems builder. Psychologically, Connie is the steward leader, a rare combination of mentorship visionary and systems builder. She creates safe spaces where others feel seen, heard, and empowered. She understands not just the immediate needs of a community, but the systems that shape opportunity across generations. Her leadership is structured and disciplined, yet always people first. She's pragmatic and culturally aware, respecting tradition but pushing for timely evolution. A legacy of bridge building and ethical moderation. She excels as a mentor-operator hybrid, balancing the orchestration of large mentorship systems with hands-on guidance to individuals. Connie is a true bridge builder, connecting big-picture institutional strategy with the lived experiences of those at the grassroots. As an ethical moderator, she grounds difficult conversations about equity, mental health, or diversity in humility and cultural clarity. The invisible architect, impact without the spotlight. Connie's impact is often invisible by design. She is a nonlinear impact strategist and invisible architect, working behind the scenes to create structures and support systems so others can shine. Whether she's engineering legacy through public speaking or quietly shaping policy as a trusted advisor, she is always looking to activate communities, tie past legacy to present missions, and ensure no one is left behind. What drives her? Legacy, continuity, and communal uplift. For Connie, legacy isn't about what you leave behind, but who you lift up. She is most responsive to calls that frame impact as communal and intergenerational, and she prefers stories of transformation, those that show how one person's guidance can unlock another's greatness. Summary: the institutional torchbearer. At the heart of it, Connie Lawson Davis is the steady hand and the watchful eye, the bridge between what was and what must be. Her excellence is found in the quiet disciplines of service, the courage to make tough calls for the greater good, and the wisdom to nurture both tradition and change. She is the institutional torchbearer, not just carrying the flame, but ensuring it lights the way for generations to come.